Hi, I just wanted to do a quick testimonial for Mark's new YouTube course. Now, I had a YouTube channel for about 4 years. Honestly, didn't really do much with it, would upload the odd video. But this year, I saw the potential of YouTube, but I didn't really know how to make my YouTube successful, how to get more views, how to monetize it. And then I saw Mark's course. Now, it looked really good, and a couple of emails back and forth from Mark, and I jumped in feet first. So what has happened? I have gone from a YouTube channel that had 150 subscribers to 2.2 thousand subscribers. My channel is now monetized. I'm making money every day through affiliate sales, and it's literally skyrocketed in 6 weeks. And what Mark's course does is literally take you back to basics, but shows you a load of tips and tricks that I didn't know about. And without these, you are going to absolutely struggle to make your YouTube channel work, or it's going to take 2 or 3 times as long. In literally 6 weeks, my channel's gone from nothing to monetized and getting thousands of views. And I'll just quickly jump into that and show you the views that I'm getting. So this is just a quick look at my YouTube channel, 2.27 thousand subscribers, and you can see the views I'm getting: 6,000, 6,000, 5,000, 4,000, 4,000, 3,000, 3,000. You know, I've gone from getting 100 views to thousands of views. And if I quickly click this, you know, I'm online for 2,000 subscribers, 175,000 views I achieved, 400 uploads, 2,500 likes, but this is the good one for me: 12,500 hours of watch time on my YouTube channel. That is just insane. And it just goes on. Now, I had none of this prior to taking Mark's course. And honestly, it has been the best thing that I've done. If you want to get achievements like this, you can do it. And I done it in about 6 weeks with a bit of hard work and Mark's advice. You can do it. So if you're looking at starting a YouTube channel, 1,000,000% take Mark's course. It's the best thing I've done, and it is going to just get you on your way to having a very successful YouTube channel.